Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to get your Venmo QR code on Android. So to get started with the guide on how to do that, so the first thing to do is to launch the Venmo app on your Android device, then log in if needed. And after that you have to tap on the scan button. So on the home menu, on the bottom menu, then tap the scan icon. Usually looks like a QR code or a small scanner. Then after that, on the scanner screen, tap the QR code or my QR code option. Then your personal Venmo QR code will display on the screen. Then after that, you will show the QR code to order to scan for payment. Then to save or share, tap on the share icon to save it via message, emails, or save it as an image. And that's how you can simply get your Venmo QR code on Android. Find the video helpful, turn the notification button and follow for more. Thanks.